Hello and welcome to this video on how to boost your attention span in minutes. In today's fast-paced world, it can be challenging to stay focused and attentive for long periods. However, there are several techniques and strategies that you can use to improve your attention span and stay focused. In this video, we will explore some of the most effective ways to boost your attention span in just a few minutes. Practice mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness meditation is a powerful technique that can help you improve your attention span and focus. It involves focusing your attention on your breath and being present in the moment. Research has shown that just 10 minutes of mindfulness meditation can significantly improve your ability to focus. So, take a few minutes each day to practice mindfulness meditation and see the difference it can make. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks can help you stay focused and attentive for longer periods. Research has shown that taking short breaks every 25-30 minutes can help improve your attention span and productivity. So, take a few minutes to stretch, walk around, or do something else that you enjoy to help you recharge and refocus. Eliminate distractions. Distractions can significantly impact your ability to focus and stay attentive. So, it's essential to eliminate as many distractions as possible. Turn off your phone, close unnecessary tabs on your computer, and find a quiet place to work. This will help you stay focused and attentive for longer periods. Use the Pomodoro Technique. The Pomodoro Technique is a time management technique that can help you stay focused and productive. It involves working for 25 minutes and then taking a 5-minute break. After 4 Pomodoros, take a more extended break of 15-20 minutes. This technique can help you stay focused and attentive while also giving you regular breaks to recharge. Exercise. Exercise is an excellent way to improve your attention span and focus. Research has shown that just 20 minutes of exercise can significantly improve your ability to focus. So, take a few minutes each day to exercise, whether it's a quick walk, a yoga session, or a workout at the gym. In conclusion, there are several effective ways to boost your attention span in just a few minutes. By practicing mindfulness meditation, taking breaks, eliminating distractions, using the Pomodoro technique, and exercising, you can significantly improve your ability to focus and stay attentive. So, try out these techniques and see the difference they can make in your life. Thank you for watching.